Did you know that you can hide data in individual cells or ranges of cells in Excel without changing your spreadsheet's content or structure? Follow these steps to hide data without removing it altogether or changing your spreadsheet's structure. First, select the cells in question and click the Number Format dialog box icon in the bottom right corner of the number group in the Home tab on the ribbon. Next, click Custom in the left-hand menu and type 3 semicolons into the type field. When you click OK, the numbers in the selected cells will disappear, even though the data is still there. Repeat the process. Select the cells, click the Number Format dialog box. Next, click Custom and type 3 semicolons into the type field. Click OK. To reverse this action and uncover the numbers you've hidden, click the Number Format dialog box icon in the bottom right corner of the number group once again, but this time select General and click OK. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.